Do you know there are hidden websites where you can get sound effects for free and never worry about copyright strikes? Stick around because I'll show you the top 5 free sound effect websites for video editing. And if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Let's get right into it. First up is Mixkit, your one-stop library of free video assets. It is a free gallery of stock video clips, music tracks, sound effects, and templates, all without watermarks. Created by Envato, it is made for content creators, video editors who need free assets. The best part, you get a free license to use everything in both commercial and non-commercial projects. The site is easy to navigate. Just choose your assets, click download, and it is yours. The only thing is that you will occasionally see pop-ups promoting Envato's paid library. But for free assets, Mixkit is an excellent starting point. Mixkit is great, but what if you want a site that never runs out of new content? Let us go to Pixabay. Pixabay is a massive creative community offering free sound effects, photos, illustrations, vector graphics, and even music. What makes Pixabay valuable is that it is updated by contributors all around the world, so you always find something new. You can filter by editor's choice, latest, or trending for easy discovery. The license is simple. Use the asset freely, even without attribution, as long as you're adding them to a creative projects. One thing to watch out for is that Pixabay promotes iStock images within search results, so make sure you are clicking the free options all the time. To download, simply click on the download button and the sound effects will be downloaded automatically on your device. Pixabay is huge, but what if you want a site that has been quietly serving filmmakers and creators for years? Let me show you PACDV. PACDV.com is a website where you can get sound effects and audio clips for free. You can use the assets in your video, film, audio, and multimedia projects completely free of charge. But here's the catch: you can't resell, relicense, or re-upload the sounds anywhere else. It is made for filmmakers, sound designers, music producers, film students, and multimedia developers. To download is super easy. Go to sound effects and choose a category. Click the play button to preview. Click the highlighted name of the sound effects. Click the 3 dots and select download. And just like that, the sound effect is on your device. PACDV is great for curated and ready to use sounds. But what if you want access to over 160,000 sounds in one place? That is where Zaplat comes in. A sound effects and royalty free music library with over 160,000 sound effects, and new ones are added daily. Its huge focus on sound effects only makes it stand out. You will find categories from animals to sports, plus themed sound packs you can download in bulk. If you have a standard account, attribution is required. But if you're a gold member with subscription, no attribution and no limit to downloads. Overall, it is an excellent choice if you want a massive organized library of sounds for any type of project. Zaplat is massive, but do you know that YouTube itself has a hidden library of free sounds built right in? YouTube Audio Library. It is built into the YouTube Studio. Under the audio library, you will find music tracks and sound effects. You can favorite the ones you use often. Everything here is safe to use in your videos without copyright issues. It is a must-know resource for video editors. So there you have it, my friend. 5 amazing websites where you can get high-quality sound effects completely free and never worry about copyright strikes. And if you found this video useful, you will also find other videos in Discover Tech channel also useful. See you in the next video.